Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for joining my channel. In this video, I want to show you a quick demo of this DEWALT brushless cordless front wheel drive self-propelled lawnmower. Alright, here we go. The batteries are super easy to put in. It goes into this compartment, and this lawnmower is compatible with 60-volt flex-volt batteries. This cordless lawnmower is quiet and light. Let me show you a quick demo and what it looks like underneath. Changing the heights of this mower is easily adjustable. By adjusting the settings, you can have your gas cut height as high as about 4.5 inch and as low as about 1.5 inch. To turn on this mower, it's a two-step process. You must hold on the on button and then pull the bail handle. And to activate the self-propelled option, you must press down the self-drive speed lever, and the speed is variable. Cutting the grass with this mower is super easy and effortless, and even easier when you use the self-drive option. DEWALT says with two 10Ah batteries, it should last up to 60 minutes when mowing the lawn, and after about 15 minutes, I still have 3 bars remaining. Overall, I am super happy with this product.